latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A new study has claimed that poaching of jaguars is on the rise in Central and South America. The study documented more than 800 jaguars caught and killed by poachers that were later intercepted by the law enforcement. The latest figure shows a 200-fold increase in the number of jaguars poached and intercepted by law enforcement in the last 5 years. The numbers suggested that there is a major surge in poaching of big cats. The most prized item of jaguars are its teeth, which are mostly used as jewelry in China. Jaguar bones will be pulverized into a fine to be used in Chinese medicines. Authorities have also captured smuggled jaguar skins, claws, skulls, and even meat, which is a rare delicacy served in some restaurants. Researchers have said that patterns they observed in Asia and Africa are now starting to emerge in South America. What we can learn from this is that patterns we saw in Asia and then in Africa are now starting to emerge in South America. If there is a demand, it will be fulfilled even if you go another continent on the other side of the world. In the early 1950s and 1960s, big cats drove the thriving trade industry. Between 1968 and 1969, the US alone imported 23,000 jaguar skins. The practice was banned completely in 1975 after the population of big cats started to plummet. Researchers have estimated that there are a total of 173,000 jaguars left in the world. The major cause for the decline of jaguar population is that jaguars have lost 50% of its natural habitat due to various development projects. Chinese development projects across South America have increased. Researchers say that this might be the cause for illicit trade of jaguars to China. The countries that have stronger ties with China combined with weak governance, combined with high levels of corruption, it's almost like a recipe for an increase in illegal wildlife trade. Researchers believe that while the numbers reported by law enforcement have skyrocketed, the real number is much higher. The Chinese government has recently banned the use of pangolins in medicine. This might lead to increased poaching of jaguar as its bones are being used in some medicines in China.